How are you? Goodbye. Itu adalah cara mengucapkan salam dan juga salam perpisahan. Selanjutnya, ada apa lagi ya? Check this out. Fun English with Miss Justin. Yay! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back with Miss Justin. Now we are going to learn about greetings, apologizing, parting, and also thanking. And make sure you are ready with your notebooks. Why? Because you have to write some notes from this video. Okay, enjoy! Today we are going to learn about greetings, apologizing, parting, and the last is thanking. But do you know what greeting is? No? Okay, greeting is a formal or informal goodwill that we always use on a meeting or in a letter or a written message. Okay, there are some ways to say in greetings. The first one is good morning or good afternoon or good evening based on the time that you meet someone or that you want to greet someone. Jadi disesuaikan dengan waktunya ya. The next is hello. That's the easiest way. Hello or hi someone. Hello Miss Justin. Hi Iqbal, like that. The next is to ask someone's condition. How are you? Or how have you been? How are you doing? How is life? How is everything? That's the way to ask someone's condition. And the last, there is how do you do? Yeah, how do you do is an expression when you meet someone for the first time. Jadi kalau baru pertama kali bertemu seseorang untuk menanyakan kabar atau untuk memberikan salam adalah dengan menggunakan how do you do. Seperti itu. And the next is how to respond that greetings. If someone greet you with good morning, you have to say good morning too. Or good afternoon, someone that you greet. For example, Miss Justin meet Iqbal. And then Miss Justin greet Iqbal with good morning Iqbal. Then Iqbal has to say good morning Miss Justin. That's the feedback or to respond the greetings of someone. The next is hello, Miss Justin. Hello Iqbal. And then Iqbal reply Miss Justin with hello Miss Justin, like that. The next is how to respond someone's asking condition. Fine, thanks. And you? Pretty good. Not too bad. Very well. So yeah, that's some ways to respond when someone asks us about our condition. not always fine thanks, but there are also some ways to respond it with other expression like really good, bagus banget keadaannya kita, or not too bad, and so is the same. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya biasa saja, mungkin sama seperti kemarin, masih biasa-biasa saja. Doing very well. So, try to respond someone's greetings with other expression. Then, fine thanks. Okay? And the last is, how do you do? Yeah, this is the special one. So when you meet someone for the first time and that someone greet you with how do you do, you have to say or you have to respond it with how do you do too. The next is apologizing. Apologizing means what is that? Permintaan maaf. So in English also there are also some expression to apologize to someone. Like I am sorry about that. I apologize for, please forgive me. Yeah, that's some expression that we use when we have mistakes with someone. I'm sorry, or sorry about that, sorry to broke your pen, maybe I apologize for hiding your motorcycle keys, like that. And how to respond that apologizing expression, there are some ways. It is okay. Yeah, if you are okay with that, so you have to say it is okay. Forget about it. No problem. Don't worry about it. And I forgive you. Kita harus bisa memaafkan kesalahan orang lain. Misal teman kita merusakkan pensil kita, mematahkan pensil kita, atau menghilangkan bolpen kita. Nah, untuk mengatakan tidak apa-apa dengan beberapa expression seperti ini, bisa forget about it, lupakan sajalah, no problem, gak masalah, don't worry about it, jangan khawatir tentang itu. I forgive you, itu berarti memaafkan. The next is partings. What is partings? Jadi partings itu seperti apa ya? Ungkapan maaf ketika kamu tiba-tiba harus meninggalkan atau salam perpisahan ketika kamu harus meninggalkan sesuatu seperti itu atau meninggalkan seseorang. For example, sorry, I must be going now. Mungkin waktu kalian lagi kerja kelompok di rumah siapa, terus kamu udah disuruh pulang sama orang tua, jadi harus bilang sorry, I must be going now. Jadi aku harus pergi sekarang, mungkin aku harus pulang sekarang, seperti itu. See you later, sampai jumpa lagi. Talk to you later, mungkin masih pengen ngobrol, jadi bisa disambung kemudian hari dengan memakai kata atau dengan menggunakan expression talk to you later. The next is good night. Nah, perbedaannya kalau kita mengucapkan salam selamat malam itu bukan dengan good night. Jadi kita kalau mengucapkan salam itu memakainya good evening. Karena good night itu adalah salam perpisahan untuk mau tidur. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi misal ada teman yang sudah mau tidur, kita mengucapkan good night. For example, good night Iqbal. The next, goodbye. Nah, ini sudah biasa sekali ya kata-katanya. Maybe we could get together sometimes. Atau ini bisa digunakan kalau kita sudah lama tidak bertemu dengan teman kita. Nah, kemudian ada suatu event kita bisa bertemu tapi tidak bisa lama. Nah, ketika mau berpisah, kita bisa mengungkapkan maybe we could get together sometime. Okay. The next is how to respond partings. Jadi merespon salam perpisahan seseorang. Until next time, sampai jumpa lagi, seperti itu. So long, take care. Kalau orang atau teman kita mau pergi, kita mengucapkan take care. Hati-hati ya. bye, take it easy, ya udah, selamat tinggal, take it easy, good night, bla bla bla, bla bla bla. You can add it with the name of the person. Goodbye sounds good. Misal mau see you later, teman kalian bilang see you later, ketemu besok atau see you tomorrow, you can say sounds good. Jadi bagus seperti itu. And now the next is thanking, the last part. Thanking is about mengucapkan rasa terima kasih kepada seseorang. Dengan there are some ways to say thanks, like thanks itself, thank you, that's common way. Thank you for treat me, misal kamu ditraktir teman kamu di kantin, terus kamu mengucapkan thank you for treat me, terima kasih sudah mentraktirku. Thank a lot, terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much, thank you so much, or thanks so much, artinya sama ya, terima kasih banyak. And now how to respond it? You're welcome. Nah, you're welcome is the common ways we use to respond thanking. Tapi ternyata masih ada beberapa expression yang bisa kita gunakan dengan merespon thanking itu sendiri. Ada apa aja ya? Ada don't mention it, nggak masalah. Thank you just the same, itu juga bisa. That is alright. It was my pleasure. And you're welcome. Nah, you are welcome and you're welcome itu sama ya, hanya penggunaan apostrofi untuk menyingkat saja. Sampai di sini ada pertanyaan atau ada yang masih bingung? Semoga tidak ya. Lanjut. The main point. Yeah, Miss Justin want to explain about the main point. To say or to greet someone based on the time, like the first good morning. We use good morning when or start from early morning to 11:59 a.m. AM used for morning and PM used for afternoon until night. So 11:59 a.m. means 11:59 siang atau pagi menjelang siang, tengah hari ya. Itu kita menggunakan good morning. Kemudian ada good afternoon. Kapan kita menggunakan kata good afternoon? Yaitu at 12 noon. 12 noon itu in midday atau tengah hari, to 5 or 6 p.m. sampai jam 5 atau jam 6 sore. Nah, kita menggunakan good afternoon. The next is good evening. Good evening itu adalah salam mengucapkan selamat malam, bukan selamat perpisahan untuk tidur ya, tapi mengucapkan selamat malam jika kita bertemu seseorang di malam hari. Mulai jam berapa? Start from 5 or 6 p.m. to very late night. Jadi biasanya good evening itu digunakan mulai pukul biasanya mulai matahari tenggelam at 6 p.m. to very late night, sampai malam. Jadi untuk mengucapkan misal jam 9 malam ketemu Miss Justin di jalan, nah kalian bukan mengucapkan good night tapi mengucapkan good evening. The last is good night itu sendiri. Nah, good night itu untuk mengucapkan selamat tidur. Jadi before going to bed and parting at night, untuk mengucapkan salam perpisahan di malam hari karena kita akan berangkat untuk tidur. Sampai di sini mudah kan? The next is the example in dialogue. The example of the use of greetings, apologizing, parting, and also thanking. There are Iqbal and also Fahri. Iqbal, hello Fahri, how are things going with you? Fahri reply, oh hi Iqbal, everything is okay with me. What about you? Iqbal said, me too, thank you. By the way, how's your family? Fahri said, they are all very well. Iqbal replied, I'm glad to hear that. Please say hello to them for me. Fahri, okay, I will. And then Iqbal, well, I think it is time for me to go. See you again. Fahri replied, see you Iqbal. So the underline and the underline bold type and italic type are the examples of the use of greetings, apologizing, or no, there is no apologizing, I think. Only greetings, parting, and also thanking. There are hello, how are things going with you? Hi, everything is okay. What about you? They are all very well. I think it is time for me to go, like that, and etc. Okay, until now, have you understand? I hope you understand well this material because this is the easiest part of the lesson. Okay, to end up our lesson today, there is a quote, what we learn becomes a part of who we are. Jadi apa yang kita pelajari itu akan menjadi bagian dari siapa kita nantinya. Jadi keep going to study. If you find difficulties, you may contact Miss Justine by WhatsApp or by Google Classroom or via portal or just that you like. Okay, I think enough for this session. See you on the next meeting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.